Gapaw, mus, paw! Napipil mo?
Hindi ko sure. Wala, biniblank ako para hindi ako magpanik.
Hindi pa.
Good morning. It's the second day and it's Rian's wedding today. Andito na si Dinel tsaka si Aaron.
Hi, vlog.
So, naglakad sila sa from...
You introduce.
Okay, sige. Father of the groom.
It's all about the rest.
It's all about the rest.
No.
Naglakad sila Dinel from Bayan. Papunta dito, 1 hour.
1 hour.
So, they chose to walk. I think gising na ang bear. Hi, Bear. Good morning. We're gonna have breakfast in a bit. Good morning! Wala nang nakarun. Kasi wala naman pagtatakbuhan. Oo. Lolo, say hi. Papanginangat-ngat niya yung ano mo. Shock.
Ginangat-ngat.
Oo. Ano, masarap?
Masarap ba? Bigyan ka na lang ng kutsara.
Hi. Scrambled egg. Pandesal. Garlic rice. Spin. Okay. So, we're done with the breakfast. Ngayon, gumagana lang. Waiting for the rehearsal. So, wedding. Wala sila Phoebe tsaka si Chewy kasi kanina tinry namin sila dalhin dito kaya lang si Phoebe ayaw na maglakad. So, tinay muna namin sila sa room kasama si Wax para later sa practice or rehearsal sa wedding. Ano ba yan? Ba't naglalag yung utak ko? Mamaya sa rehearsal sa wedding, maglalakad din kasi sila. So, kailangan maraming energy si Phoebe. So, yep. Ano ba yarn? Thank you, dear. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Whoa!
Kapag makikooperate naman yung mga for babies at mag-walk sila on their own.
Naiinitan na si Kaya.
So, take your time.
Ba't ka umiyak?
I
Practice pa lang.
cried. I know.
Kitang-kita ka eh.
Ay, no, sabi ko nga, pwede ba mag-shades? Kasi alam ko, hagulgul ako later. Gapaw, mus, paw! So, I'm done sa pag-ayos. Si Gian din. Tara! Lexi! Yun. Hindi na ako nakapag-video ulit kanina kasi medyo nagpapanik kami. Well, ako.
Signature line mo, ano?
Oo. Dapat yun yung intro ko eh. Sorry guys, di ako nakapag-video. Thank you. Bye! Anyway, so, I'm gonna share with you my fit. Medyo magulo dito sa room, but so this is what the dress looks like. And then, Charles and Keith na bag. Tapos, parang, ewan ko, ninakakulang ko kay Keith yung sandals. That's everything. Thank you so much. Napipil mo?
Hindi ko sure. Wala, biniblank ako para hindi ako magpanik.
Oh my
So, wala ako
gosh!
napipil ngayon.
Ikaw?
Ha?
Kinakabahan siya sa 25 words niya.
13 natin.
13 na gag.
Na-improve.
May plus 2
Kung
points?
madelay yung kasal niya mga next year, okay na yan.
Oo, buo na. Mga 50 words ay.
Anong oras natin, Denise? Ay, mali.
Ako sabi ng nanay mo, magsasandals lang siya.
Anong oras na?
6:50.
3 o'clock pa lang.
Pinahayos mo ba?
Hindi mo na naman inayos yung time.
Yeah, sama muna natin. Let's do one hole po muna.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
1, 2, and smile! Kaya yung...
on, it's time for us to drink and party. Maxi, did you enjoy? It's time for dinner, so we're having boodle fight. We have like squid and talong and tuna. Then we have tahong, okra, sitang.
Here are Gian and Sharina, Mr. and Mrs. Potor! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slice the cochinillo!
So guys, I am here with Chewy. Nakita mo si Chewy. Kasi lagi siya nagwawala. Like, the whole time. But I feel like she's so stressed now.
We'll also be doing our to Beled, of course, by no less than the maid of honor and the best man. Alright, it's your turn! Yeah! Very good! Now!
Good morning. It's our last day today. Actually, mag-check out na rin kami in a bit. I'm just waiting for... And then, dito na si Wax. Pupunta lang kami ng beach, paaraw ng konti, and then we'll go back for breakfast. Get some water.
Can you bantay this?
Sure. Against the light.
Yun yung maganda, silhouette.
So this is our breakfast. Garlic rice, the bread, and then ito masarap actually. Para siyang, ano tawag dito? Yung jam, PB&J ba? Pero na parang may butter. Tapos longganisa, I have champorado with dilis. So first time ko makakapag-try ng ganyan. And then scrambled eggs. Ano ba yung mini mix? Di ba hindi? Like normally separated. Itong dilis and hindi ko alam. Hindi ako masyadong kumakain ng champorado eh.
Talaga? Mas gusto ko champorado kasi
Hello guys! Are you videoing me?
Hindi yung mga nakita.
I wanna see.
Oh, it's pointed. Oh, yun.
Hello.
Oh, wait.
Hello guys. My name is Nalia. So we're vlogging today. And then we're gonna swim there. Hooray! Hey guys, I'm sorry for being caught. I'm just excited for this vlog. You like my swimming suit?
Vlog mo ba? Vlog mo ba? Thank you guys
for watching my channel.
And I'll see you.
And I'll see you when we're swimming later. Let's vlog when we're swimming later.
Okay. This is Pedro.
Like I'll bring this.
Poncho.
Look off.
Pedro. More time with Maxi. You say, hi, I'm Maxi. I am 8 months old. And with me is my sister Nalia. How old are you, Nalia? 4. Turning 5, right? Yay! How about you? 8 months. Okay, we're on our way home. So I think this ends the vlog. Finally, may outro na tayo. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!
Paalam!